Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install BigCommerce for stable high-volume storefronts, detailed guide step-by-step clearly. To begin installing BigCommerce, ensure you have a reliable internet connection. Visit the BigCommerce website using your preferred web browser. Click on the Get Started button prominently displayed on the homepage. Fill out the required information to create your account. Make sure to provide a valid email address and a strong password. Select your plan based on the features that best suit your business needs. Once you complete the registration, you will receive a confirmation email. Verify your email address by clicking the link in the email. Log in to your BigCommerce account using your credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to the BigCommerce control panel. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available options. Start by configuring your store settings. Navigate to the Store Setup section on the left-hand menu. Here, set your store name, address, and contact information. Next, select your shipping options to accommodate high-volume orders. Access the shipping settings to integrate shipping carriers. Choose your desired shipping methods and calculate costs accordingly. Now, set up your payment gateways. Go to the Payments section to link PayPal, Stripe, or other payment providers. Ensure your payment settings are secure and offer a seamless checkout experience. Customize your storefront design by exploring the Design tab. Select from various templates that suit your brand identity. Once you have chosen a template, use the drag-and-drop interface to personalize it. Add your logo, brand colors, and images to enhance visual appeal. Next, upload your products to the store. Go to the Products section and click Add Product. Fill in the product details, including names, descriptions, and prices. Ensure you categorize each product appropriately for better navigation. Now, enable any necessary apps and integrations for added functionality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.